Sometimes you don't realize how good the good old days were until they are gone. Some memories take me back to those hostel days when I and my friend Zoya would sit on the hostel terrace just the day after the al-Fitr and enjoy the delicious khurma prepared by her mother. The taste of eating that khurma still lingers in my mouth. Since al-Fitr is just around the corner, I thought of sharing the same delicious recipe that once I enjoyed during those hostel days. So come, let's go to our Goan food court. So I got the exact recipe from my friend Zoya's mother. So here I am to share the same richness and delicacy from my friend Zoya's kitchen to my kitchen and from my kitchen to your kitchen. So let's start cooking. For the khurma or kheer, I have taken 1 liter full fat milk, 1 cup sevia or vermicelli, 4 tablespoons pure ghee, 1 tablespoon koya or mawa, some dry fruits. These are dried dates which I had soaked in the water overnight, almonds soaked in the water overnight, pista and cashew nuts. And this all 4 I had soaked in the water overnight and have sliced them. Next is 1 tablespoon of chiroli or chironji, like 12 raisins. I have taken both golden as well as black raisin. Few black raisins I have taken. A few strands of Kheer or saffron, condensed milk and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. So let's begin. So we'll go step by step. Step number 1. Put on the flame. Heat the pan first. Pan is heated. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Keep the flame low. Next I'm going to fry this dry fruits for just for 1 minute. Okay, so these are the dates. Now you cannot make this khurma without dates. Khir means milk and khurma means dates. So you cannot avoid this dates at all. Add pista. Almonds. Cashew nuts. And add chiroli or chironji. Fry for just 1 minute so that you don't over fry. And last add raisins. So after 1 minute, you have to drain and remove this dry fruits. Next I'm going to add koya or mawa. You can see the texture has changed. Okay, it's become soft and it looks creamy also. Okay, so I'm going to remove this and keep aside. Next, in the same pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add vermicelli so that you do not over fry this vermicelli. It should not burn, so that you stir all the time till the vermicelli gets the golden color. It's been 2 to 3 minutes, become golden color. As you can see, I'm going to remove this. Step number 2, In another pan, I have taken 1 liter full fat milk. Keep the flame high and let it boil. So once it is boiled, do not switch off the flame, you have to lower the flame. Simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes more or till the milk slightly thickens, so that you keep on stirring. Do not cover the pan, keep it on the low flame. After 2 or 3 minutes, now add the dry fruits. I'm going to keep some dry fruits for garnishing. Okay, stir this. So we'll keep on the low flame for more 2 minutes. Next I'm going to add mawa or khoya. So let it get mixed properly. Keep the flame medium to low and keep on stirring. Just for 1 minute. Now add the vermicelli. So if there is any ghee which is there, you can also add that ghee. That also will give a unique taste since it is a pure ghee which is used. Keep the flame low and keep on stirring it. See, now you can see the consistency. So let's cook it for 2 minutes more till it becomes a little more thick. Now I'm going to add just 2 tablespoons and then check for the sweetness, because there are raisins, dates as well as mawa which contributes to the sweetness. So adjust accordingly. You can add more or less according to your taste. Next, I'm going to add few strands of saffron or Kheer. This strands of Kheer gives unique aroma and taste to the dish. Half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. I will not wait to put off the flame till it becomes very thick, because once you put off the flame, the cooking process still continues and it thickens even more. Put off the flame. So I'm going to serve this. You can serve this hot or cold. I like to enjoy this dish hot, so I'm going to serve it. So my Kheer khurma is ready. I have added condensed milk and mawa for the richness. So in place of condensed milk, you can also add sugar, but for more richness, add condensed milk. Now I'm going to garnish this. Don't forget to make this delicious Kheer khurma and enjoy with your friends and family. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, be active, stay healthy.